Hey guys, I have a question for you. Does it seem like your child with autism or your student with autism has a really hard time understanding ranges of emotions? Either they're really happy or they're really sad and there's nothing in between. Well, that's a problem that a lot of children have that have autism. So I've come up with the best solution that I've ever found for creating a visual to teach the children a range of emotions. And that's by using an abacus. Now, once upon a time, these were just used for counting. But today, I actually use them all the time with kids that I work with to teach them ranges of emotions. So let's take a look at how it works. Now, when you look at the abacus, you'll see that I have different pictures. These are just emotion cards. I just printed them up online. And you can look at it and it says excited, happy, proud, surprised, worried, afraid, disgusted, sad, angry, whatever emotion it is that your child's working on, you can put that emotion there. You don't have to fill them all out. You can even just put a couple. And what you can show your child is that they can be either a little bit happy or they could be really happy. So what I have children do is I'll read them a story and say, how does the person feel? Or I'll say to them, how would you feel if this happened? And I'd have them show me, well, if they put all of them over, I'd be really happy. So this might be good for the holidays are coming, Christmas morning, the child's birthday, the day before vacation. But maybe you'll show them, well, if they're going to get to eat a food they really like, they might not be all the way really happy, but maybe they're instead going to be putting over a few to show them that they're a little bit happy. So this is a really great visual way to teach children a range of emotions. Many kids who have autism, who have a hard time with range of emotions, they're very literal thinkers, which means a concrete visual example is going to be exactly what they need to help them understand this. So I hope this has been really helpful for you. I hope that you can get one of these, start using it right away. In the link below, I can link you to the one that I bought. I just bought it on Amazon. It will be an Amazon affiliate link, so if you do decide to do this and you want to support my my YouTube channel by, if you're going to buy it anyway, buying it from that list, that would be awesome. If not, no worries. I still want to help your family. So if you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe to this channel. I put out tons of content, tons of videos. Sometimes they're in my office like this and I have my professional lighting done, and sometimes they're just selfies I take when I'm hiking or when I'm at the gym. You know, whatever I'm doing, I want you to know I'm thinking about your family, because autism doesn't stop for your family. So no matter where I am, I never stop making content for you. On that note, if you want to get my blog posts, if you want special insider information and content that only subscribers to my list get, go to hopeeducationservices.com. That's my website. Sign up for my list. I'll send you a free ebook to thank you, and you'll get that content. Take care, guys.